the introduction of the Qadr-380.
ایست کامل، استقرار سریع، آماده سازی پورتاب.
Authorization granted. Launch sequence confirmed.
Confirmed. T-8.
T-10, 9, 8.
Authorization confirmed. Execute launch sequence.
7, 6, 5.
3, 2, 1.
Ignition sequence start. We have liftoff.
Impact successful. Objective achieved.
Impact confirmed. Target destroyed.
100% accuracy. Mission successful.
The gates are opening now.
We are witnessing the reveal of the new Qadr-380 Cruise Missile production line.
Thrust validated. Fuel efficiency met.
We did it. It's a success.
final integration success. The Qadr-380 is fully operational.
We did it, sir. Congratulations.
The test was a complete success. The Qadr-380 is mission ready. We did it! All right, positioning over the container now. Steady descent.
Looks aligned. Bringing it down gently.
The introduction of the Qadr-380 marks a new era for our defense industry.
The successful launch of the Qadr-380 proves its effectiveness, moving swiftly from blueprint to battlefield.
As we've seen, the Qadr-380 transitions seamlessly from production to launch readiness. This innovation marks a new era in strategic defense capabilities. Introducing the Qadr-380,